and they would not know much. My last question is, Justin Joseph, can I attend a traditional Latin Mass or an Eastern Catholic Church to fulfill my Sunday obligation? What are your thoughts on celebrating Mass ad Orientem? 3. I believe taking communion from a priest is better than a lay Eucharistic minister because Saint Faustina says the hands of a priest are consecrated. I'll answer briefly all the three. The first, or maybe the easiest, is Saint Faustina. Saint Faustina, she was the disciple of our Lord and had a lot of visions, private revelations, and certainly priests of a hand are consecrated. You know, I've seen so many writings of saints who speak, who have great reverence for priests because the hands are consecrated, but because they are consecrated mainly because they really touch the host, are the ones who consecrate the host. But the distribution, you're not really, it's a ministry which also the church allows other people for convenience. It's not necessary to have only consecrated hands giving. And don't forget also, my sisters and brothers, that every baptized person is a consecrated person. You are consecrated. Your hands are holy. Your whole person is holy, and therefore it's not that priests are holier than you. You are much holier than us, I think. Coming to the second, what are your thoughts on celebrating Mass ad Orientem? The question is to say Mass facing the east. The idea is, it began from the idea that you face the sun. The sun is the symbol of God, of Christ, and you're facing it, therefore, I have no difficulty. I would say that if you're meeting in a group, certainly you can think of saying Mass ad Orientem. It's one more point of inculturation, one more point of bringing meaning to your group, but there's no obligation. Our churches are built in a particular direction. You can't suddenly change the church's direction towards the east. And the Pope Francis made very clearly that there's no great theological reason for us to turn ad Orientem. So that's group masses, yes. Otherwise, please say attend Mass, whatever direction. Mass is a Mass, whatever direction you face it. And the first question you had asked, can I attend a traditional Latin Mass or an Eastern Catholic Church to fulfill my Sunday obligation? Traditional Latin Mass is, I think what you have in mind is the Mass which is the traditional, which was said before the Reformation of the Vatican Council. You can fulfill your obligation. I have allowed in the Archdiocese certain places to have that Mass. And if those are the places where it's allowed, certainly you can fulfill your obligation. I don't know if anybody is saying without my permission. If they say without my permission, you have fulfilled your obligation, but you're only being a little disobedient. I mean, there's no sense in trying to come closer to the Lord by being disobedient. The Lord wants obedience also, no? And we are one family. But if you want, and there's some place somebody wants to say Mass, I'll tell you where you could attend. Now, Eastern Catholic Church, there are two types of Eastern Catholic Church. There is the Eastern Catholic Church, which is Syro-Malabar and Syro-Malankara is an Eastern Catholic Church. And that certainly you can attend with completely, there's no difficulty, you can have all. And I would allow you to also, if you want to attend other sacraments, confirmation, and no problem at all. You've got to, I would allow you certainly. If you mean by Eastern Catholic Church, Eastern non-Catholic churches, mean the Orthodox, etc., then of course you can attend it, yes, you fulfill your obligation, only if a Catholic church is not available. So that is the rule, the church law at present. But they have the valid Eucharist, we have the same faith, it's only mainly administrative problems that have come between us, and we're coming closer and closer. It was my intention to have Masses of the Malabar and Malankara in my cathedral. I have not had the chance. Now with the lockdown, I don't know when I'll have a chance. Thank you very, very much for this evening.